Jiangsu Lazen Machinery Technology Company Limited was built by a team of technical engineers with decades of experience in food processing industry. It is specialized in providing the turnkey solution for tomato processing line, fruit and vegetable processing line, juice drinks and beverage production line, dairy products processing line, and etc. We have exported to over 30 countries and regions in worldwide, such as Ethiopia, Algeria, Saudi Arabia, France, India, Russia, Colombia, and etc. Lazen Machinery strives to provide our customers with high quality and high cost performance equipment, and aim to become your reliable supplier and cooperator in the future.